DeepSeek V4 just dropped and it's absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get it and use it for free with unlimited use. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next videos. And the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you'll get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. To use DeepSeek V4 for free, you have to go on this website, which is arena.ai, and you have to create yourself an account on this website. I'm gonna click right here on login, and you can either create your account with Google or with your email and a password. Once you're in arena.ai, you have many different options. You have to click right here on the modes. You can either choose the battle mode, the side-by-side, or the direct chat. The battle mode is two anonymous models. The side-by-side is where you compare two models that you choose, and the direct chat is when you only choose one model at a time. If I click on direct, I can now choose many different models by clicking right here. I can choose between the text, the code, the image, and the web search. In the search bar, you have to put DeepSeek, and as you can see, we have many different models of the DeepSeek V4. We have the DeepSeek V4 Pro, the Flash Thinking, and the Pro Thinking. I'm gonna click on DeepSeek V4 Pro right here, and as you can see, the model is now selected, and I can ask anything I want. I'm gonna ask, when is the next Olympics? And it says that it's in 2028 in Los Angeles. If I now choose DeepSeek V4 Pro Thinking, what I can do is to click on this button, which is the code. And I can say, create the game of Snake. And as you can see, DeepSeek V4 is now creating the code, and the result is gonna be right here, directly on Arena's interface. The game is now done, and as you can see, it works perfectly. There's no issue, and you can download the project as a zip file right here. And so now the second way to get access to DeepSeek V4 is to search on Google for DeepSeek, and you can click on the first link. And so we're now on DeepSeek's website, and you can start right now, or you can get access to the API. I'm gonna click on start right now, and you just need to create yourself an account. And I'm now on DeepSeek's website. It's much easier than Arena or ChatGPT. You can choose between instant and expert, and deep think and search. Of course, if you choose the expert mode, it's for complex problems and reasoning, while the instant mode is for easier responses. So I'm gonna select the expert mode and the deep think, and I say create a 3D vision of the universe. And it's now coding, and what's really amazing on DeepSeek's website is that you can either directly copy the code, download it, or directly run it on the website. The code is now done, and I'm gonna click on run. So I can zoom in and look at everything I want. And as you can see, the way the planets are moving is really impressive, and you can do many different things with DeepSeek V4's code. So you're gonna be able to create amazing things with DeepSeek V4's new model. Join our free AI newsletter where you get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.